Hello everyone. Today we'll study the fourth chapter in the first unit, that is reproductive health. Okay. Health itself says that health is not just an outlook or a physical fitness of any person. Health means the physical, mental, emotional, social and behavioral well-being of any person. So when we talk about reproductive health, it means a state of complete well-being of all the aspects of reproductive system. All the aspects means, just I said, physical, emotional and social behavior. So this definition is given by WHO, World Health Organization. This definition is important. What is meant by reproductive health? It is a state of complete well-being of all the aspects of reproductive system. So all the aspects include physical, emotional, behavioral and social. So India is the country where in the year 1951 the government has started a program, that is family planning program. Okay. So what is the motive, what is the idea behind this program is to have a reproductively healthy society. Okay. Health is not just only it is concerned with the body parts. Health includes the reproductive health also. So what is the motive of this program, which is started by the government in the year 1951, that is family planning, and the motive or the idea behind this was to have a reproductively healthy society, to give the knowledge about reproduction among the people. So the same program modified after many days, and now presently it is working as reproductive and child health care program. Because when we talk about reproduction and reproductive health, it is not just concerned with the pregnant lady, it is also concerned with the child health care. So the same program, after many modifications, the family planning, now the program is rebuilt as reproductive and child health care program. So in India, being very orthodox country, where there are so many problems associated with the reproductive health. Okay, we'll discuss the problems which are associated with reproductive health and the strategies, how to overcome these problems. We'll discuss one by one. So the first problem is lack of awareness. Okay, so lack of awareness of what? Okay, lack of awareness of some medical facilities. In India, many people are unaware. They don't have the knowledge about how to follow the reproductive techniques. Technique means once the lady is conceived or the pregnant lady, so how to follow some techniques and medical facilities which are given by the government. So there are some facilities which government give the people for reproductive health. So, and how the system works, how the reproductive system works, they don't have the basic knowledge about it. So this is the main cause, this is the lack of awareness in people. So the next is population explosions. So the people don't think what is the side effect or what are the consequences of population explosions. Okay, so because of this in the coming days we'll face scarcity of water, scarcity of food, the unemployment problem. So these are all the problems which are faced by the people because of population explosions. And the third being myths and misconception. So all of you are aware of myths and misconceptions. Myths means a statement or any ritual which is blindly followed because it is not having any scientific evidence or support. Okay, it is all a lie, a big lie which we people follow blindly. That should be eradicated. The myths and misconceptions should not be given more importance, not more, they should not be given any importance. And the fourth one is illegal abortions and female feticide. That means in some hospitals, for money or for anything, The people are going for illegal abortions. That should be stopped. That is a major problem which is also related to reproductive health. And also because of some social issues, the people in the earlier days, they used to abort the female baby, female fetus. Okay, it is strictly stopped because the government has forced the doctors to stop it. And also there are some laws which are against the female feticides. Not only female feticides, any fetus. Okay, feticide means to kill the fetus, female feticide. This is also a problem which is related to reproductive health. And now we discuss the problems. Which are the problems? Lack of awareness, population explosions, myths and misconceptions, and illegal abortions and female feticide. So these are the problems. So how to overcome these problems? What to do? To create a awareness. Okay, the first one is lack of awareness. So to eradicate these problems, what we need to do? We need to create awareness. How to create the awareness among the people? Okay, the first one is STDs. We need to explain the people about STD. STD means sexually transmitted diseases. There are some diseases like HIV, hepatitis B and etc. These diseases are transferred from one person to another person through the sexual contact. And such information and about STDs should be openly talked in the classrooms or to the students or the people. So the awareness can be created by explaining some topics regarding the reproductive health, as in STDs, availability of contraceptives. So contraceptive means they prevent the fertilization or pregnancy. Okay, so there are some contraceptives available both for men and women. Next is menstruation. So menstruation is treated something abnormal in still today. In some cases or in some regions, the menstruation is treated something abnormal, but the people should understand that it is a completely normal process in the female humans. So we need to create awareness in the students also about menstruation. What are the phases and what are the changes in the menstruation, what the body go through. We should know all the every information regarding menstruation. And next is assisted reproductive techniques. There are some techniques. If the people, the overpopulation or the population explosive is also one of the problem, and the other problem is when the men or the women, when the couple is not able to produce a baby, I mean to say when they are not having a baby, even this is a problem, and these problems can be treated through some techniques, and the people should know about all these things. Okay, so the first strategy or the first solution is creating awareness in the people. Next, educate the people. How we can overcome such problems regarding reproductive health is we can create the awareness, and the second one is educate the people. Okay, there are some government organization and also non-government organization which educate the people about reproductive health, and also such organizations give the sex education. Okay, sex education should be must to everyone. And audio visual print, there are some animations which explain the problems or anything related to reproductive health, how a person can handle the reproductive health. Next is marriageable age. Okay, the government has set a marriageable age, that is 21 for boys and 18 for girls. So it should be followed very strictly, or even it can be increased. And the last one is aware the people about ill effects of large population. Just now I discussed what are the side effects, I mean to say what are the ill effects of large population, the scarcity of food, water, employment, everything. So the people should understand how can we focus about reproductive health. Okay, so people need to know what are the concepts related to reproductive health, the awareness, and we need to educate not only the students but also every individual should be educated with the sex education, and these are the problems and strategies we have discussed. So this is about the introduction to reproductive health. The next topic we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.